Hello everyone. Today we are going to start case study question. So our first question is Sumit purchased a new car which travels 90 km in 2 hours. So I have this condition that 90 km that car is covering in 2 hours. We have this condition. Now question is how much time is required to cover 130 km? As you know, we know the unitary method. I have to find out time. And what is given to me? Distance is given to me 90 km that car is covering in 2 hours. Whatever you want to find out, that should be on the right side always. So make the statement like this, that car is covering 90 kilometers in 2 hours, means is equal to 2 hours, means in one, that car is covering 1 kilometer in how many hours? So I will write 2 upon 90, means 2 divided by 90. Whenever you are making this unitary method, you are using this, always keep in mind whatever you have to find out. As such, in this question I have to find out time, so time I will put always on right hand side, means after is equal to sign. Second thing, when you are dividing it, so first you will write this number, whatever written on the right divided by number written on left. So I will write 2 upon 90 hours. Now I have to find out time to cover 135 kilometer. I have to find more distance. This 135 kilometer is more than 1, and to get more than 1 I have to multiply. So 2 by 90 multiplied by 135. Now you know the cutting method, 2 ones are 2, 2 45s are 90. You can cut directly by 45 or you can use this divisibility test, as there is a 5 at the unit place, so I know both the numbers are divisible by 5. I hope all of you know the divisibility test by 5, that a number is divisible by 5 if digit at unit place is 0 or 5. So I can cut it with 5 also, and you can cut with 45 also. 45 ones are 45, 45 threes are will be 135. So 1 threes are is 3, so answer will be 3 upon 1, that is 3 hours. I hope you have understood. Now based on this, condition is same, that car is covering 90 kilometer 2 hours. Now we have another question. How much time is required to cover 360 kilometer? Again we are asking for time. Again same step, time I have to find out. So time I will write on right hand side. In the condition it was given car is covering 90 kilometers in 2 hours. So I will write like this, distance 90 kilometer distance covered in how many hours? It is given 2 hours. So I have to find out 1 kilometer distance covered. Again, as I told you in the previous slide, that you have to write this number first, the number written on right side, 2 divided by 90. Now I have to find out time to cover 360 kilometer. So for 1 kilometer I know 2 by 90. For more than 1 I need to multiply. More means multiply. If you want to find out more answer, of course you have to multiply that number. So 2 by 90 multiplied by 360. Again cutting method, cut extreme zeros. 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36. So 4 twos are is 8. So answer is 8 hours. Next question is how much distance is covered in 5 hours? In question it was given car is covering 90 kilometers in 2 hours. In last two slides I have asked about the time, but in this condition time is given to me, but I have to find distance here. I told you that if you want to find out in this distance, then distance will be on right side. So make the statement like this: in 2 hours distance covered is equal to 90 kilometer. I hope you have understood what I want to say. As in this, I want to find out distance. Whatever you find out, you want to find out, keep that thing on right hand side. In 2 hours, distance covered is 90 kilometer. Then in 1 hour, distance covered is, again, be careful while writing. I will write 90 divided by 2. Same step. 90 is written on right side, so right hand side number divided by left hand side number. Now how much time is given to you? You have to find out distance covered in 5 hours. More than 1 means multiply, means more answer. 90 by 2 multiplied by 5. 2 45s is 90. 45 5s are 225 kilometer. As car is, I'm going to suppose that car is moving in same speed. Our next question is again, how much time is required? We have to find out time to cover 150 kilometer with this same speed. I have the condition that 90 kilometer car is covering in how many hours? 2 hours. Now I have two methods to do this. I can do it with the proportional method. I hope you know the proportion method. If I have to write in proportional method, you will write product of middle terms will be equal to product of extreme terms. I hope you know this method. If you are not aware with this method, then simply you can do with unitary method, no issue. First I am going to start with unitary method. As such, time is required to find out, so again I will keep the time on right hand side. I will write 2 hours here, and distance is 90 kilometers, so covering 90 kilometer, again I will make statement like this: for covering 90 kilometer 2 hours, for 1 kilometer 2 by 90, and for 150 kilometer I will write 2 by 90 multiplied by 150. Now 2 ones are 2, 2 45s are 90, 5 9s are 45, 5 3s are 15, and 0. I'm left with fraction. 3 3s are 9, 3 10. So I'm left with 10 by 3 hours. But I cannot leave the answer like this, 10 by 3 hours. I cannot leave the answer in fractional form. So best method is convert hours into minutes. I know 1 hour means 60 minutes. So convert this answer into minutes. 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 10 by 3 hours will be 60 multiplied by 10 by 3, isn't it? So I'm going to write like this: 10 by 3 multiplied by 60 minutes. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, and 0. So you have the answer. 20 tens are is 200 minutes. Means for 150 kilometer I have my car will take 200 minutes. That will be the answer. So based on one simple statement, you can give answers of related questions. So don't worry about the case study questions. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you soon.